challenge accepted. Let's see if we can find a substitute for my absolute favorite paint from Cadence. The Dantel color is really hard to purchase it. For some of you, it's just impossible to get. So my idea is to possibly find something in those paints from my studio, something that is going to be very similar. I hope. Let's see. So I'm adding the color here across the page, and I will be basically adding the other colors next to it, and we shall see how similar or how very unsimilar that's going to be. I think that's the only way to be really able to find it. So let's see the color. This one is from Art by Marlene. Let's see. Ooh, close call, is it? No, well, no. But it's good. It's a lovely color. Guys, it could be this one. Oh, it could be this one. It's too bright, but it's another close call. We have to wait as well a moment for it to dry, but it's a gorgeous color. Now, color name. This one is called Desert. This one is called Clotted Cream. This will be too yellow, too scan. Let's see. Do you know what? Sometimes I wonder if I can. No, okay, that was a not close call. And this one is called Sand. I like how it looks. It's a bit too pinky, but it's a lovely peachy color. Probably I could add a little bit more because it's very diluted. But no, not close at all, to be honest. Then we have this Little Birdie chalk acrylic paint. Guys, this looks, to me, it's going to be the same. I'm actually so excited to see. Now this one, I should probably, no, I thought it's, but you see, I haven't used it forever. I need to just scrape these out. 1 second. Buy some tool, maybe by this. I'm gonna scrape out. Sorry for being off the camera for now. I didn't think about it earlier, but I can barely. I'm gonna grab this. Oh, this one is very dry. Oh, but I can still get the idea of the color. Yes, no. It's okay. 1 second. I put it a little bit lower, the actual color, the brightness, because I think it's too bright. It's nice, but it's no go. I think what I will do is I'm gonna just place those leftovers inside and maybe spray some water in it, because it feels that yes, it could probably use a little bit of water. Okay, if this is not close call, then maybe this one. Let's see. That is also a couple years old, so of course it is not possibly not the greatest condition. Very dry, but it's beautiful color. This one is called Matte Chalk Walnut Cream. I love this color. Very similar to this one, which is which is this one, you know, the Pudra Pembe acrylic from Cadence. Ooh, 1 second. I think I just maybe added too much. Okay, it's brighter, but the shade wise, no, it's much brighter. Shade wise, it's actually gorgeous. Ooh, it's gorgeous. I don't know if it's available at all. In case you're looking, Little Birdie walnut cream. Maybe you have it at home, and maybe it's worth to check it out. Okay, these are a couple years old, paper artsy, so probably it would be handy to mix it up. It would be only fair to mix. Oh, that's way too yellow. It's not going to be any good, to be honest. No. Okay, sometimes, you know, I just grabbed it because I thought it's beigey kind of color. This one is also a couple years old, so it's going to be dry-ish. That's okay. Maybe we can still. Ooh, Do you know, all these colors from Little Birdie are quite nice and similar, isn't it? Yes, these three are nice, which is actually Little Birdie. This is super old. This one is DoCraft. I don't even know if that brand still exists, to be honest. I really don't know. So if it's not there, sorry about that. Very the gentle kind of feel, very bright, so not great. It looks that we didn't find anything yet similar. This one is Stamperia, and it's a recent colors from not so long ago. No, it's more peachy than anything. Okay, looks like I'll be searching and searching and searching because none of them seems to be... Ooh, I worked. None of them seems to be honest, anywhere close. They're not really. Probably if we mix it with some colors, yes, we would... Oh, it's lovely cream. We would probably get the lovely color if we mix something, but I really wanted... This is too green. I really wanted to have the color that it's going to be similar. It's gorgeous color, actually. Maybe... Do you know what? Do we have a close call? Do we have a winner here? I can't believe it. Wow, we have a winner. I added this color as the last to my list because I just grabbed it. I thought it's too gray, but it's actually... Whoa, it is. It is the closest, am I right? Oh yes, definitely. You kidding me? I found a substitute. I got these paints. I love them to bits. I really love them. From a local store in Cork in Ireland. It's called De Strathmore. They are from... Is it Netherlands? Correct me. Is it either No, Denmark. See? Denmark. There we go. Beautiful stores. If you're not too sure, if you've never seen them, if you've never been inside, I don't know if they have online stores. Honestly, I've never checked it online, but I have been inside the store many times. Love it, love it. They have gorgeous selection of products. I love every single thing that is in that store, from colors to shapes to textures to design to ideas to freshness to cleanness to different... I just think genuinely it's one of the most beautiful chain stores, and they must be worldwide since they are in Poland. No, are they in Poland? Ooh, well, they are in Ireland, so if they are in Ireland but they are based in Denmark, then they must be at least in Europe, maybe not worldwide. This is a close call. This is a color, guys, linen gray from Strathmore, guys. This is the brand Strathmore, all over the world. I'm gonna check if they are online. You're not gonna believe it, they are online, and they are only €240, 75 mils, the same one as this, linen gray, water-based acrylic, and they have this color, for example. They have this color. Oh, there's more colors. There is more colors. There are more colors. I have gathered, but the most important, guys, the most important, there is linen gray, and it's .com. I don't know, delivery, shipping to... Check it out, guys. Check it out. I don't know if they ship worldwide, what they ship, how they ship. Free delivery about 35. Maybe that's for the delivery and return. The estimated delivery for 6 days and the return. But I don't know if it's worldwide. Check it out. But if there's anything as close to my Dantel color, it's this one. I cannot believe it. And you know what? It doesn't feel like it changes the color. This seems to be a little bit more going into pinky blushy color, which is amazing. I love it. I think it's less pigment, not maybe less pigmented, but it's less coverage. I think this covers better than this one. I have a feeling, but overall I would definitely order this one. Now, just out of curiosity, to show you different colors that I have, and I love them all. So we have linen gray, rose blush, spring green, pine green, dusty yellow, sea green, and milky blue. One second, there is some other color. There is pastel yellow. You can see that they all into pastel. This one is field yellow. This one is yellow ochre, but it's kind of darker, so I don't know if you like it. And this one is very teal, turquoise blue. I got it because I love in general the color teal, but for the books I would suggest you probably all of these colors. So these two are great, but if you're looking for the colors for the books, go for these. Fabulous. I don't believe it. I cannot believe it. I'm actually so happy, so excited. I didn't plan to check all these paints, but they were like really waiting around the studio, all these creamy beigey colors. And there it is. I had it at my nose, and I cannot believe it. I'm so happy, so excited. Next videos, whatever I will be working on, I will be testing it out and checking it out if I do love this paint as much as I love this one, because price difference as well is huge. Like this one is slightly bigger, it's 120, this one is 75. You like 75 is already plenty, but the price is quite different, and also the shipping, because it's just, maybe it will be easier to source this paint. Guys, I'm so excited. Let me know if by any chance any of you came across a brand or a paint or a color or something that I should test it out, check it out. Leave me the comment, so you know I'm all ears as always. For now, I'm gonna let you go. I found a substitute. I don't even know if substitute is the right word to say, but I found a baby sister for our Dantel color, and it's acrylic paint from Sostrene Grene Linen Grey 120 number, and I'm so happy for you guys, because I know now that more people will be able to play with the background color, with the background blending. Yay! So have fun, my friends. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful. Please let me know if you will get this paint, or if you never heard of this brand and you sourced it and you got it for yourself. Keep me posted. Let's chat in the comments. For now, have a beautiful, wonderful day, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye for now. Bye bye. I was just putting these aside, and I could see the difference. Actually, there's one big difference. For some, too big. For me, not at all. But the other paint, this one is actually shiny, this one is matte. So there is this difference. What can I say? I guess it depends on your really preferences, but I don't think it's that in your face as it could be. And possibly maybe matte medium would help afterwards, or some other colors. Either way, I think it's still a good idea to substitute the colors that it's impossible to get, in case you have that trouble.